best interactive sessions, I should say, because it kept me, awake, I should say. And also, I would say that this kind of a leadership workshop we are getting from one such leader is always a good thing, because we will have a lot of takeaway to take with us. And I would for sure recommend this, because there is so much of content, because everyone is a leader over here, but are we a better leader is the question that we should ask ourselves. And this particular workshop will for sure help us to search for that better leader inside us, and then grow leaders around us. So for sure it's recommended.
What got transpired today is so amazing, actually speaking. I can tell you one thing, for a rice eater like me, after having that dal makhni and curd rice, this awake, impossible, right? I was on pretty much of all the 3 days of Basil. I must say that I dozed sometimes actually. So that didn't happen here is because of how you are involved in the session. So just now when I wrote, the first question was, what did you
like?
I never felt that I learned something today. So without even me knowing that I'm learning, I have been taught so many things actually. So it's a wonderful aspect how we all participated together, and how this was totally conducted, and how she made each one of us engage. It's amazing actually speaking. So naturally Basil cannot be done that way. So I have to give that also. However, whenever such occasions are possible, if we can conduct such highly involved training, it makes a lot of sense for each one of us. The load of learning becomes quite easily acceptable, quite easily you can carry it. So I'm sure from today we will understand more the examples that we learned or we discussed today, rather than the concepts. We may not be able to name that leadership trait or name that methodology of resolving leadership crisis or whatever it is, but we will definitely remember the examples that we discussed today. So from that perspective, I am very, very thankful to Sangeeta for having done a wonderful job today and in such a short notice. So I think Kellen aligned with her on Friday, and we have a Saturday, Sunday holiday, and Monday evening if we have that kind of a session that tells how she is prepared for this actually. So we are very much looking forward for many such sessions, Sangeeta, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
And I'm sure we're going to meet many such times in using many other issues that we have to resolve actually. Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Sangeeta, you were orchestrated it so well. I would not call it a workshop also. You were orchestrating it in terms of posing questions and allowing us to talk. But what I realized is one thing which is a takeaway for each one of you participated and never hesitating, and I think that the credit goes to Sangeeta in terms of making us participate.
Sangeeta, thank you so much for organizing this session. And I have been attended so many sessions, and this is very useful for everyone. Ideally, I just question myself whether I'm a good leader after attending this session.
I thought we can have lunch, and after that I will run some slides. We can sleep corner, something like that. But she didn't give that opportunity to really very interactive. The session is very interactive. In any training sessions there will be it will be one way. So the instructor would tell something and we would learn something. In the session it happened both, like we have been put into perspective things that we know but we have not exhibited it. So she has provided the opportunity to think within ourselves and provide the exhibit that whatever we know and whether it is correct or not. So we have given the opportunity to explain what we know, and also we are able to learn. So it was both interactive in two ways. So I'm very happy that I was part of this meeting. Thank you.
As everyone was saying, the session was very interactive. But to put it a little differently, it was fun. Everyone had a very good time. At the same time, we did not compromise on what we learned. We were able to understand what it was that was being communicated to us. At the same time, we also understood our own shortcomings in an actually different way. We were able to introspect into what we do. So thank you for the opportunity. We really loved it.
Actually, it was a very interactive section. But I think we learned some very important things about the leadership and what the leadership means in our organization and also in our daily life. So I think we can take advantage of all the knowledge that Sangeeta shared with us. And I thank you for that.
If I should not repeat what others told, right from the activities or the placements of the sites in between the activities, everything was very well organized, and it was it's most enlightening and illuminating.